In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide comments on Notion. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to get comment threads out of sight without deleting anything, so your pages stay focused and easy to read. First, open the Notion page where the comments live. To work with comments, you'll use the comment icon. This small speech bubble icon is your gateway to every discussion on the page. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of the page, near the share and updates controls. If the comments are attached to a specific block, you might also see a small bubble right next to that block. Clicking either will take you to the same place, the comment thread that needs attention. When you click the comment icon, Notion opens the conversation panel or jumps you straight into the selected thread. You'll see each message, any reactions, and the history of the discussion. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the thread you want to hide. This is helpful if multiple comments exist on the same page because it ensures you resolve the right conversation. Now, to hide the comment, click the resolve icon inside that thread. In Notion, resolving is the official way to remove a comment from the active view. The resolve control usually looks like a check mark or a button labeled resolve. One click marks the thread as addressed and immediately tucks it away from your default view, keeping the page clean and distraction-free. You're not deleting the conversation. Resolving simply archives it from day-to-day sight while preserving the full history behind the scenes. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Only people with the right permissions can add or resolve comments. So if you don't see the option, you may need edit or comment access to the page. Resolved threads can be brought back later if needed, so you can confidently resolve once a decision is made or a task is complete. Think of this as closing a loop. You maintain context without letting old discussions clutter current work. That's all there is to it. Click the comment icon to open the conversation, then click the resolve icon to hide it from view. Use this flow whenever you wrap up a discussion or finalize a change. Over time, resolving comments becomes a simple habit that keeps your Notion pages tidy, your team aligned, and your focus exactly where it belongs, on the content that matters now.